Hey, welcome everyone. Today we're diving into some killer secrets on how to turn one digital product into a 25K gold mine on Etsy. It's like
Yeah,
step
definitely.
1, nail a niche specific printable, say a 2025 family planner crafted with Canva's free templates.
Mm, so the whole idea is to target a very specific niche, right?
Exactly, like you mine Reddit threads, our bullet journal, for example, to catch emerging trends, and
Right,
then
got it.
you craft a unique tracker that nobody else is offering.
That really sounds innovative. What about the design aspect if you're not a pro?
Oh, you can totally use ChatGPT to generate SVG designs, a kind of AI crafted tag that really sets you
Smart
apart.
move.
Then you upload that to Etsy.
And pricing, I hear, is crucial too. They suggest a $7 base price with a $3 exclusive edit fee, right?
Yep, that's the idea. It's like you test it with Etsy's revenue predictor to fine-tune it for maximum profit. Though
Yeah,
I'll
makes
be
sense.
honest, sometimes I wonder if that split might limit the perceived value. What do you think?
I get your point. It could seem a bit gimmicky if not balanced well. But if you're transparent and add genuine extra content, it adds value.
Right on. Then there's this neat trick to boost early sales. Launch with a limited 48-hour coupon code creates that urgency factor.
Absolutely, that kind of
Plus,
scarcity can really
embedding a
spike
QR
interest.
code linking to a bonus file in your listing is super clever.
And there's more, isn't there? Using Placit's free trial for digital mockups gives a real life feel to your product, kind of like staging a home for a buyer.
Very visual. Exactly. Then you get into tactics for reviews. Offering a $1 add on file for the first 10 buyers sort of kickstarts those organic reviews.
Yep, that's a smart nudge. I also love the influencer hack. Send free digital samples to niche YouTubers with under 1K subscribers. It's like guerrilla marketing at its finest.
For sure. And don't forget the hidden SEO tricks. Adding exclusive 2025 design to every title helps you target trend seekers before the competition really heats up.
Right, keyword strategy is everything. Plus, upselling is key. A bundle upgrade after purchase adds an extra $10 per sale, pushing you closer to that 25K goal.
Yeah, exactly. And wrapping it all together, there's automated marketing via MailChimp triggered by Etsy purchases, which is like a full funnel system at work, smart and efficient.
That automation really smooths out follow ups. It's amazing how these individual tricks, from designing with Canva to analyzing competitors with Marmalede's free mode, all mesh into a complete strategy for Etsy success.
Yep, exactly. Every little secret, whether it's embedding a usage GIF for better click throughs or maintaining time efficiency with Trello to batch design products, plays a vital role in reaching that 25K mark.
That's one robust toolkit. Wow, these strategies really show that creativity and smart tactics can transform a single digital product into a major revenue stream.
Absolutely. So, if you mix passion with these practical, out of the box ideas, you're set to conquer Etsy. Thanks for joining in on the discussion. It's been a blast.
Definitely. Can't wait to see these tactics in action. Catch you next time, everyone.